to my channel. So, it's a bit rainy and a bit shitty outside, but it's alright, we're going to film anyway. In today's video, we're going to be doing a complete mod list of all the modifications I've done on my Citroen C1, just to sum it all up before we sell it. So this is actually my 2010 Citroen C1 in electric blue, and basically over the last year and a half I've been adding interior and exterior modifications to this car, and as a lot of you will know, this car will be being sold within the next month. So with that, I thought you guys might be interested in seeing the final result of Cindy the Citroen, as well as showing you guys a full list of all the modifications I've added to the car, which, you know, might inspire some of you guys to make your shitbox into an even bigger shitbox. Okay, so first modification we do is, I like this one, the main one I think. We've got the Maxim Design splitter.
This makes the car look mad.
It's a bit beastie, isn't it? I quite like it. It adds to the car, definitely adds to the car. I mean, this shit, you guys can't add value, this shit costs me £200. But that piece of plastic, fuck you wankers. But do you know what, I'm actually proud of myself. I haven't broken it.
Let's have a look. Ah, you've been quite good.
Yeah, quite good with how I am. Next mod we've got is actually, I don't think this doesn't really count as a mod, but we're going to add it in anyway. We've got the 4D plates.
Why have you not got private plates yet, you fucking scum?
I'm a broke bitch. When I get a new car, I'm going to get private plates, 1000%. But even with my standard plates, 4D plates make it. If I see a modified car and it doesn't have 4D plates, I look at it and I think, you're weird. Different roller plates, if you guys are interested.
They should be paying for that.
Should be paying. Hit me up. Yeah, next we've got the black badges, obviously. The amount of spray paint on this car is ridiculous. I must have racked up the cost of the car on spray paint cans.
Did we spray paint this?
Yeah, I spray painted that.
That looks really good.
I know, it was quite a good one actually. I was quite proud of that one. Yeah, black badges obviously goes with the black. Splitter, black everything. 1010. Trusty hubcaps. That's not really a modification.
No, you did.
Yeah, they were ugly but ugly silver. Dynamic?
Yep.
Dynamic indicators. They're little swipey things.
Go press hazards.
Huh?
Hazards.
Oh, I was like, what's on? Yeah, see, they just better than your standard boring
ones like this.
Boring ones. Yeah, like we're just racking through these things because let's be real, no one wants to sit and watch a video about Citroen C1. I know what you're thinking, so I'ma just say it. We got the sun strip. This is the second sun strip on the car because the first one failed the MOT, so we had to do a take two. But that was cheap. That's on Amazon. This is the best sun strip. This has been used on all of Michael's cars.
£10.
10 quid. All of Michael's cars. My cars never failed us ever. Wind deflectors. I love the wind deflectors. You don't really need them, but they're pretty cool. I think they just look cool. Imagine it without them, that's really boring. Next up we've got, makes it my little go-kart. The spoiler.
A little shopping trolley.
Shopping trolley, yeah.
You could push this around Tesco.
Obviously, but again, spray painted this black. I bought this off Amazon for about £100. Spray painted it black. Yeah, that's what all the super glue marks are around here, but I'm going to get them off.
Killer wiper kit.
Yes, I forgot about that one.
Yes! Yes!
Oh my god. Yeah, got rid of the wiper blades because they did jack shit anyway, I'm not being funny. And then, again, one of the main parts of Cindy the Citroen, we've got the exhaust. The, what do you call it, the two centre pipes.
Sportex R32 exhaust tips.
Yeah, how much was that?
180, I think.
£180. Makes the car sound pretty cool, I think.
Go give it a rev.
As cool as it can for a Citroen C1. So you know, we're not working with much, but
give it a rum. It's very loud.
Yeah, so I never realised how loud it is. Mark used to moan at me. Went off from his house too quick. And
too loud.
Yeah, oh, too loud. And I was like, sorry for loud, and then he videoed it one day and I was like, oh damn.
Yeah.
That's all the outside mods done, I'm pretty sure. Obviously we've also got the tints on the windows.
5%.
5% tints on the back and these ones. But I'm pretty sure that's all the outside mods done. So if we actually hop inside, which is really good because it's raining and it's cold, we'll show you the inside mods we've done.
Fucking hell. Freezing, mate. Oh, Jesus.
Okay, so interior mods. We have got the world's shittest steering wheel cover you will ever come across. I think I bought this shit off eBay. It was cheap, granted, but it's fucking wank.
It's meant to fit a
It doesn't
Citroen.
even fit. Yeah, it's literally for a Citroen C1. Like my Citroen C1. Babe, why are you not fitting? Look, I've got double-sided tape down there. And look how short, and do you know what bugs the shit out of me? This is like thicker and then it goes thinner.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's irritating.
It's like a vagina
so
flap.
irritating. Okay, thank you. We installed a rev counter. Ever since I've installed this, I have not looked at it once. Not a single time. I've never looked at that. But I mean, it's kind of cool. Maybe
like those aliens with 2 eyes at the top.
Maybe the new owner will like it. We spray painted all of the I just think about. I just deeped.
Deep.
Michael's Moses saying that. How long we?
She got a nose piercing and turned into a chav.
Deeped isn't chavvy. It's just like.
Oh, so you know, like people from Cambridgeshire use. Oh yeah.
Am I from Cambridgeshire?
Oh yeah, I deeped that.
Am I a posh bitch from Cambridgeshire? No.
Yes,
So why
I was
would
in a literate class and I deeped it.
Shut up, man. Yeah, we spray painted all these, sanded them.
They look 10 times better, I think. 'Cause they were grey before.
One of my friends has a Peugeot 107, and they're like grey silver. They are, sorry Ben, the ugliest things I have ever seen. Since spray painting them blue, I don't even want to look at silver ones anymore. Disgusting. If you've got silver ones, go fucking spray paint. Go do something. Just bin the whole car off. It looks gross. This was the best thing I've bought for this car. 1000%. It just hides everything.
What is it?
Oh, a little glove box lid. Because we didn't have one on there. It was literally just open. I didn't know you could get a glove box in there. Some guy messaged me and the best thing he ever told me because it was 10/10.
That's it basically, isn't it?
Oh! Blue seat belts. 5 belts. If you want custom seat belts or your seat belts fixing, coloured ones, anything, hit up 5 belts. Bright blue seat belts, any colour you want. I love these. Wojciech actually said, he drove past me and he goes, them seat belts look, he's like, I've never known. He goes, them seat belts actually look sick. I was like, thanks boo.
Big up Wojciech.
Big up Wojciech. But yeah, I think that's literally about it for the mods for the car. That's everything we have done and added to Cindy the Citroen. Over the, 2 years I've had her now? Nearly, we have turned the already shit box into a bigger shit box. Winning. That's the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Just thought I'd give you a little roundup of all the modifications we've done on my Citroen C1 before we sell her. I'll leave the links to anything if you guys want to buy any of it. The modification, if you've got a Citroen C1 or Peugeot 107, any of them. I'll leave the link to all the modifications down below. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Follow me on Instagram at chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you. Or we'll see you in my next video. Bye!